Yeah, boy, that's a tension area. Once in your head, okay. There we are. And bring it over this way. Okay. Let's have you slide off the side of the table and come to a standing position. Yep, you can just slide on over.
Okay.
Okay, and I'm going to see, we need to do some more work there. Have you hang on to that. There. Hips against the wall. Walk your feet forward a little bit. Now I want you to bend forward. Come on, there you go. Good job. That's it. Bend your knees a little. There we are. And walk out a little more. Bring your hips towards me. Okay, that was it. You all right?
Yeah.
Good.